Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a VR for Diane, who's Crafting with Fury here on YouTube, and she is hosting a challenge giveaway, and it's Halloween fall themed. So I'll link her video down below for all the details, because I've got so many challenges going on in my head right now, and I wanted to make sure that I don't give out the wrong information. So here we go. So I was live today. Today's a Monday, and I created these little artist trading coins with everybody on my channel, and we created 4 because I wasn't sure this would be my first time ever creating an artist trading coin, is what this is. So this was the very first one I created with everybody, and you can see that this is the coin. I stitched on it. It has some tulle on this top layer, but you can't even see it now that we've got all these goodies on top, layered on top. I used some of my stickers that I had in my stash these are from Dollar General, and this little bat here is from Target, and this word right here, not so scary, is from the Simple Stories, what is it, Say Cheese collection. So I just used one of the words there. Same goes with this. It's just some stuff in my stash. I just mixed it all together. The paper that I use is from the Simple Stories, Say Cheese, the Halloween collection. And this is one of the girls from the collection. This little potion bottle, Magical Night, and the cauldron are from the Say Cheese collection. This little spider in the background is from the Target Spritz Halloween collection. This was like maybe 2-3 years old already. And then you have a Dollar Tree bat, they cut off the ring portion. And then I used my metallic marker from urbangems.com, and this is a rose gold color. Nurse Tara's shop, guys. So I layered all of that. So that was the second one. This was the third, no, this is the third one. It doesn't really matter, but same paper collection, stickers from Dollar General, stickers from the Say Cheese collection. This sticker and this one are both from the Target Spritz collection that was gifted to me by I think it's Alvina who shared this with me. And this is the bucket right here. This is from Alvina. So guys, forgive me if I don't remember where everything is from. I'm not the best of memories, but I'm doing my best. So this is the last one, I guess, and I used the same sticker combination. These are some stickers from Hobby Lobby. This is like a little crepe paper rosette that I turned into like a skirt behind her. I even put like a scallop circle just to layer on top of the coin. These 2 stickers are Dollar General. The eyeballs and the broom are Dollar General. The little boo sticker is from the Spritz Target collection, and this is from this year, so from this whole set. So yeah, I think this is the winner. I think this is the one I want to send to her. And the other 3 I think I'm going to send out to, just in like a little Happy Mail surprise. And on what you do on the back is you put your info. So my name, my date of birth, my mailing address, and my favorites, as much as you can fit on the coin. But I think this is what I'm going to send out to her. But I also wanted to add some of my glow in the dark Nuvo drops. So I'm just going to grab some of the Nuvo drops on here, and I love the glow in the dark stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and alternate the Nuvo drops. And I got all my Nuvo drops from Nurse Tara's shop, which is urbangems.com, and I will link that in the description box. So go ahead and hit that down arrow, and you guys can get all that information down there. So I'm just putting some here and there, and she won't even know that it glows in the dark until she shuts her lights off, or unless I put it on my little card that it's a glow in the dark. So I don't know, I just love this. I love Nuvo drops. So I'm gonna put the yellow away. I'll use some of the blue. And these work, guys. They really glow nice and bright once you get them fully exposed in the light, regular light, or you can use a UV flashlight, which is what Nurse Tara told me. Get one of those flashlights off of Amazon if you wish, or just leave it under your lamp and it should be okay. So I'm gonna give her that. As soon as it's all dried up, I will package that up, and I am also going to gift her my little charm bracelet here that I created with you all on the live. And she loves cats and dogs, so this one has a cat. It has the little shrink-a-dink charm that we created, and then some of my beads from my stash, and some of the charms that I hauled from Amazon. So there's a little purple star, a little key, and then another set of beads also from my stash. So I'm going to include that in my envelope, the 2 of those, and send it off for my entry. I'll probably put a little note in there, a little card, and let her know that there's some glow in the dark going on that card. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.